Hey everybody, this is Clint Winter, and I am very excited to give you a tour of the Elbert County School District Instructional Technology site. So this site is where we hope to put anything and everything that has to do with technology in your classroom. If you come over here, all of the menus that you need to get to are right up here. So if we go home, this will take you and give you an overview of our technology team. We'll come back to this in a minute. If you have any questions about Performance Matters, this is where we'll put our tutorials that have to do about that. Like we have a video about scanning stuff. And over here is real important. This is where I've put a lot of our Google tutorials. So if you need help with your Gmail or something like that, or frequently asked questions, we have here. We have some videos and some information about all of our different Google products. You can check it out there. And then finally over here, we have some good stuff. One of the things I really want to show you is our staff PL presentation. So anytime that there is any type of technology training that's done, maybe you couldn't be there, or you're out, or you're like, what did that guy say again? You can go back here and then you can see all of the materials that are there. It might be presentations, it might be videos, whatever. And then also here I have a link to some cyber safety information. So this is some really great, really short videos that you can work with your class, your homeroom, maybe your advisement group, whatever, about how our students can start having a conversation about staying safe on the internet. So check that out. And then finally, we're still in the process of working on this. This is our digital tools section right here. So real quickly, how this works is that if you needed to, you're in your professional learning team or something, and you say, hey, I want to find something, a tool that has to do for my students to be able to create something. So if I go to all categories, if I click on creation, and then it'll just take and just it'll just take out and just show you tools that can be creation. So from here, if you say, I wonder what Seesaw is, if you click the I button, it'll give you a short definition of what it is or a description, and you just click here and that will take you straight to the page. I'm really excited about this. Hopefully this will be pretty useful for you guys. And then this will be constantly updated, and I'm going to also put a link up there to a forum. So if you find a digital tool and you say, hey, I think everybody should know about this, then you can submit it, and we'll put it on this page as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me, clint.winter@elbert.k12.ga.us. Take care. Bye.